The first of 4 field hospitals to treat COVID-19 patients is now open at the National Chest Hospital in St. Andrew. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the gift from the United States comes at a time when more people are getting the virus. Shamela Pullen was at the handing over ceremony on Thursday and now reports.
On Thursday, Jamaica recorded 135 new cases of the coronavirus and 3 more deaths. This brings the total cases to 5,723 and 80 deaths. For this reason, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says it is necessary to enhance the capacity of the system to deliver care, as the need for hospitalization will also increase. So on Wednesday, Dr. Tufton accepted a 70-bed field hospital donated by the U.S. government. It has been erected at the National Chest Hospital in St. Andrew. Dr. Tufton says the gift comes in a timely manner.
One of the greatest fears that any public health system has when it comes to this pandemic is to be in a position where persons require hospital care and there's no hospitals or beds or equipment to treat with them. That is when the strategy would have been severely compromised, and you lose the confidence of the people that you lead.
Plans for another 3 field hospitals would add another 150 beds for COVID-19 patients. But there have been concerns from one public health specialist, Dr. Alverston Bailey, about how the facility will be staffed. Director for the Emergency Disaster Management and Special Services in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Nicole Dawkins-Wright, says that is something the ministry is in the process of finalizing.
I can't speak to the numbers right now, but if we do the standard kind of patient allocation, we've already had discussions in terms of having a minimum of 8 medical officers assigned to manage the facility and 30 nursing staff that will be assigned here. So we've already had that kind of engagement to discuss this. The final assignment of staff has not yet been made, so I can't give you that definitively right now. But we've already started having that dialogue to identify the head counts that would be outfitting areas.
Meanwhile, U.S. Ambassador to Jamaica Donald Tapia says the field hospital is valued at approximately $105 million.
Confident that it will be put into good use in our common fight against COVID-19. When the current crisis has passed, the hospital will remain as a vital tool for the government of Jamaica to respond to any future public health emergencies or national disaster, whether here in Jamaica or throughout the Caribbean.
Jamaica is one of 14 Caribbean nations that we at Southern Command have partnered with. And today we are proud to join you to demonstrate that tangible support of this effort.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.